SAP Analytics Cloud can also apply augmented analytics to planning scenarios with its Smart Predict feature. With Smart Predict, users can create predictive scenarios to utilize machine learning and AI to answer various business questions and make predictions. Predictive scenarios can house one or many predictive models, and those models are trained and modified and updated based on different input parameters, and they can ultimately be applied to an existing planning model. There are 3 types of predictive scenarios that can be created in SAP Analytics Cloud. Classification scenarios aim to answer the question of how likely it is that a particular event will occur. An example would be what region is most likely to purchase additional products. Regression scenarios look at what a likely value will be given certain context. An example might be, what will my net income be based on planned staffing changes for the year? And lastly, time series scenarios aim to identify future values over time. For example, what will be my monthly revenue for an existing product over the next 12 months? These scenarios can take into account additional factors as well, such as seasonality. No matter which predictive scenario you utilize, Smart Predict is a powerful tool in SAP Analytics Cloud that allows you to use your data in better and more meaningful ways to predict future outcomes.